take the place. The throne is at stake.
If you make any unnecessary noise, I slit your throat for you. See, it's either you nod or you shake your head when I say something. Do you understand? Good boy. Now, you are going to take me to that place you locked up my mother. I will open and release her. Then you will personally drive us out of this community to a place I will show you. And once that is done, I will release you and you start coming back. Is that understood?
I'm a bit confused.
You are not to say a word. I say if you say anything, I slit your neck. Ah!
Are you alright?
Oh yes, I'm fine. You came right on time. How did you enter the throne room?
I have no idea. The guards have to be punished for their negligence.
I think he's working with the guards. Because how come none of them are here? Honestly, I don't trust anyone in this palace right now.
No, you have to trust me. I'll take charge of your security department, but meanwhile, let me look for a way to take this shit out of here. Just... I'm coming back.
I'm not in a good frame of mind, so I'll just go straight to the point. As we all know, this man here was found guilty of killing my father, the late king. On that day, I wanted to execute him, but the Queen Mother pleaded on his behalf. I forgave him. But yesterday, just yesterday, this man here sneaked into the throne room to kill me. If not for the timely intervention of my personal assistant here, it would have been a different story altogether.
That's right.
So you see, these two being alive in this kingdom is a total threat to my reign. So for that reason, I'm ordering for the execution. So on the next Eke market day, they will be executed at the town square. So let all the elders know that this is the king's command. Guards! Take them in and prepare them for execution. Yeah? Right?
Son?
Oh.
I want to speak with you.
Finally decided to come out of your room today.
Can I sit?
Oh yes, have a seat. What is it you want to talk about?
I want us to talk about Queen Mother. I want you to think it through what you're about to do to her. Even though I've had my differences with her in the past, she doesn't deserve to die publicly like that. She deserves more.
So what do you expect me to do? call her, encourage her to do more. I don't get it.
No, that's not what I'm talking about. What I'm saying is that you can banish them. You can send them far away, just very far away. Let them live the rest of their lives out there. Instead of you soiling your innocent hands with their blood. They don't deserve it.
Anyway, you made a point. I will think about it and have a review if I may consider, this is more like the first time you've asked me for a favor, so I think I might want to think about it.
I can't even believe the both of you. Really, mother? You were petting him, begging him, pampering him instead of to tell him the truth to his face. Even if the whole world is scared of you, I am your sister. I am not scared of you, and I will tell you the truth. If you do not change, I will expose you for who you are. Continue supporting him. I don't even know why I'm here.
Nwa gị nwaanyị a bụ dudu belu n'amụ. Igbuo ya, ịkọwa akwa amụ. Ịrapụkwana ya, ọ tapuo akpa amụ. I don't know what to do with her. I mean, for flaunting my orders, she deserves a very huge punishment from me. I'm just thinking. Just look at the way she spoke to me. I'm still thinking.
I heard you're my son's court jester. You always make my son feel better whenever he feels down. I would like you to tell me a few jokes to lighten up my spirit.
Your Majesty, I was never a comedian. I cannot crack jokes to save my life. Please don't ask me to do what I cannot do.
How did you get this?
It was a gift from my father.
Your father?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Listen, I need to confirm something from you. Yes, that assignment I sent you to carry out years ago. Yes, I know you finished that. I want to know, how about the baby? Did you kill the baby? You didn't see the baby in the room. Ego, idiot, who did you tell? I'm not being no fear. Now listen. If that thing I sent you to do backfires, it will sink us both. Ewu. What is wrong with this boy? Huh?
Mother, who was that? I overheard you talking to someone about a baby. Which baby?
Andaline, what did you hear?
I heard you saying or talking to someone about a baby. I don't know. Which baby?
Must you say everything you hear? I thought you have grown up a bit. Stupid.
Please, you can wait for me now. Okay, I'm coming. You don't go. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Greetings, Your Majesty.
Obaka.
Your Majesty.
I can see His Majesty has released your son to you.
Yes, he did. And I will make sure I keep him out of trouble from now on.
I'm sure you will. I've been meaning to ask you that. How did you get Arinze? Because I don't remember your wife being pregnant that period.
Arinze is my wife's late brother's son. We took him when he lost his parents.
I see. And the royal necklace around his neck?
It is a gift from Your Majesty, Edochie. Though I protested about it, but the king wanted him to have it, so I have no any other option.
Why?
Well, he didn't actually tell me anything about it.
I see. I see.
Your Majesty, I beg to take my leave. I believe I make my son. It's waiting for me there.
Follow you to anywhere you want without further questions. Don't drag me like a little child.
Can you calm down? Must you joke over everything? Must you play all the time? Even when somebody is dying, you're still playing. Listen, our son's kingship reign is in danger. As I speak with you, he's in danger.
What do you mean? Danger from who?
My late husband's lost son.
Lost?
Yes.
I thought that the little child was killed alongside with the mother.
Can you reduce your voice? Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting? That was something I believed. That was what I believed. Until I found out differently recently.
Do you have an idea who or where the lost son is?
I believe Arinze is that lost son. Can you stop? Can you stop? Can you stop being dramatic? Can you stop?
Arinze.
No, Kamdi, don't talk like that. This is not something to toy with. If that boy is truly who I think he is, he might raise the people against you.
Oh, Mom, come on. You should know the person you give birth to. I'm not a weakling for crying out loud. Who the hell is Arinze? He's under my... I'll crush him like this. I'll crush him.
Your Majesty, even at that, we don't supposed to, get ourselves loose. We must take precaution for unwanted surprises.
There is no surprises springing up from anywhere. Right, you can go ahead and do whatever you want to do. As far as I'm concerned, he is a nobody. Ebube Dike's son died years ago with his prostitute mother. So until I see a proof, I'm not going to talk about this.
Ha!
Okay?
That's what I'm saying.
Mom, leave these things for me. You trust me.
You just keep calm. Allow him to think. I am his personal advisor.
Then advise him well.
So let him think. We are thinking.
What can I think? Maybe just say, what can I think?
Can't you understand a simple word? The king is thinking. We are thinking. It is called social intelligence. Keep quiet.
You are awake?
Yes, Papa. I couldn't sleep.
Don't worry. You will soon get to sleep peacefully.
Papa, can I ask you something?
Of course, yes. Go ahead, my son. I'm listening.
Papa, you know I've never lied to you before. I've always been honest and truthful to you in everything I do. So I expect you to do the same to me too.
I will.
Papa, who is my real father?
I have always known a day like this will come. My son, I will tell you the whole truth. It all happened 20 years ago. Greetings, Your Majesty.
Welcome, my friend. Thank you for responding to my call.
No, thank you, Your Highness.
Let me just go straight to the point. My mother had been on my neck to bring in Beatrice and my son to the palace. I want you to do the task for me. I would have loved to do it myself, but I have a small entourage in the next village this morning.
No problem, Your Highness. I will go and get them without delay.
Oh, go in one of my cars and get a driver, okay? Maybe you should go with your own car. Yes.
No, there's no problem, Your Highness, but I think it will be better I go alone. You see, you never can tell who is watching. Moreover, the words have ears.
That's true. Anyway, I trust your judgment. So do as you wish.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Thank you so much.
I will be on my way.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Anyone in? Anyone at home? Beatrice? The door is open. Can I come in? Are you sleeping? No. This cannot be happening. Huh? Who could have done this evil act? Hey, what will I tell the king? Am I making the wise decision here? Who knows if Beatrice was murdered by someone from the palace? Is it wise to bring her son here? No, I will not. I will do everything to keep the boy safe. Stop that to your room. Take this baby.
What is this?
They killed the mother. And I need a safe place to keep the baby for now.
And you think our house is the safe place? Supposing the killers followed you here.
Stop complaining, woman, and do what I asked you to do.
Oh, sorry.
I should have listened to my mother. I should have brought Beatrice straight to the palace immediately. She and my son would have been alive now. I wanted to wear this around his neck as a symbol that he was birthed into royalty.
Your Highness, you don't have to be harsh on yourself. As a matter of fact, God knows the best. Our prayer should be for God to expose those that are responsible. As long as there is life, there is hope. You have to...
Greetings, Your Majesty. I have a bit of good news for you.
I am not in the mood for any news this moment.
Is everything okay? Are you alright? The newborn are supposed to be here.
You heard me.
Are they not here yet? See, what is going on? Is everything alright?
His Highness needs to be left alone.
Oh, that? No problem. Excuse me.
You listen, Golly? I should get more.
Okay, you can take the Go.
Welcome, my friend. I hope my food is available.
Yes, Your Highness. Get it. Oh. What a surprise visit. Well, your food is available. Let me ask my wife to get your own portion for you to eat.
Don't worry. I actually had my meal before I left the palace.
Okay, no problem. But it has been long. My king paid me a visit. I hope I'm safe.
Bubaka, my friend, you are safe. I was just taking my usual evening stroll. So I decided to pay you a visit.
You're welcome. Hi. You're welcome, Your Highness.
I can hear baby crying. Is there a baby in this house?
Yes. It's the son of my wife's brother who dropped him here for my wife to win him.
Oh, I see. I would have loved to see the baby. It reminds me of how I would have had my own son.
I think my wife is betting him. So maybe when they are done, then you can see the baby.
Okay, I can't wait. I must be on my way. I always wish the day I would wear this on my son's neck. You can have it. Give it to your wife's nephew.
Thank you, Your Highness. But you don't even know the boy. Moreover, this is a symbol of royalty.
I know. It's a constant reminder of my son that I never held. As long as I keep seeing the necklace. Keep it. The necklace is very valuable and you can sell it for a good price. In fact, take it as an appreciation from me.
Thank you, Your Highness. That was what happened, my son.
Now I understand why the Queen Mother was worried when she saw the speed.
The Queen Mother saw it on your neck.
Yes, Papa.